If you're a tarot card reader and are thinking of what to put in the bio of your Instagram, okay, I have multiple Instagram accounts which I will be showing you and show what they have been putting in their bio, so that you can get a fair idea of what to put in your Instagram bio. Also, we can I will be linking out a place from where you can get the website, like already pre-built sites if you are interested, because a website is also very helpful to grow your business further. It is not necessary, but it is helpful. It's better than depending on a platform like Instagram, where the rules of the game keep changing, right? And also you can lose your business overnight if Instagram decides to take down your account. So that's why it's always advisable to have a website. Then in another video I will be sharing with you the how to market your tarot business online for free, so that you can set it up once and forget it. Okay, so that would also include Instagram marketing. So watch out for that video, and also check the links in the description, because there will be a lot of useful stuff. So let's get started. First of all, let's just see one account. It's I just randomly, okay, these are nothing which are better than something or something. I have just selected these randomly from Instagram. So these the first one is Tarot by Ray. We'll look at different Instagram accounts and see how they are doing. So if you see that in the name, she has put tarot reader. See, this is the keyword, and another keyword is she's a mindset coach. So if this is one of the best ways to be found on Instagram. If someone searches here for tarot reader, and then you know, the chances of this coming up, like I found her like that, right? Because I searched tarot and hers came up. Why? Because she has put tarot there. And also, if you noticed, the category is also very important. She has selected astrologist and psychic. So make sure you select the good category. And also again in the bio, she has again mentioned tarot reader, teacher, spiritual healer. Now these are all related terms, right? Somebody can search for tarot teacher, she will show up. Then spiritual teacher, she will show up. Tarot healer, she will show up. Spiritual healer, she will show up. Spiritual reader, she will show up. You're understanding how this works. So make sure your keywords are there, but it's not really stuffed in. And also she has given us a call to action, a CTA, DM for personal readings. Okay, so when you land here, you know exactly what to do. Now let's look at the type of posts which are being made. So most of hers are like posts and reels, because reels get you a lot more traction than posts. So this one is best phase of your life, 15,000 views. Another again 15,000 views, 13,000 views, blessings from the angels, the signs that you need badly, 15,000. These kind of things are always very highly people watch such things, you know, the signs from universe, messages from the universe. So this is something which you will find that universally will be getting a lot of clicks. Like for example, this is how true love will feel. And another one is like message from the oldest tarot deck. So look how clickable they are. Like you feel like watching that and see, okay, what is that message from the tarot deck? Okay, she's doing it really well, if you see, and it would have been better if she could have moved some of this into a website and a YouTube channel. Let's look at the next one. And I found this again randomly on YouTube, on Instagram, and we'll see why we found her. Because see, in her name itself it says tarot, right? And again, have you noticed tarot reader and coach? So she will come up if you search tarot coach. She'll come up if you read tarot reader, tarot. That's what I typed, I think, and I got her. Again, the category is important. Are you seeing the pattern here? It's astrologist and psychic. Astrologist and psychic is the category which she has selected. Next, she has selected the certified tarot card reader. Certified is a trigger word. Okay, when you see something like certified, your brain feels that they are legit. They are somebody you should pay attention to. Okay. Next is souls. Again, something which is used by tarots and spiritual readers. Next is Reiki healer. Again, all these are related in a way, and also talking about her profession. So she has so if you are making your bio, identify what all you want are capable of doing and then work it into your bio. Healings, candle magic, and then again she has given a clear call to action, DM for personal readings. Again, she is keeping her business into Instagram and not taking it out of here, and it's all dependent on Instagram. Okay, if this goes, her business is gone. So again, this kind of things, current feelings and next action, what somebody is feeling about you right now, how what he or she feels for you. This is the trend which she is going on, like who is missing you currently, what is coming for you in your relationship. If you see before September 30th, the signs, which is then what sign what will happen, then what is the next action, should you stay or move on. Current feelings and next action is something which is very popular. Always relationships, love and relationships is very popular on tarot. Okay, and if you are really good at that, you can use that. Then who is blocking your reunion? Again, it's all about relationships, right? When will they contact you? The current feelings, next action, what is your person thinking about you? Will you marry the person in your mind? So she's doing it perfectly. Okay, next one is Alka Tarot Reader, 65.8k. Again, what do you see? Tarot card reader in the name of the account, so that's why it comes up. Again, tarot card reader here. Again, 18 years. See, this building credibility, 18 years of tarot experience. Probably this tarot card reader has had fake accounts being made by others, so that's why she has said that this is my only account, so that nobody is faking her business, right? Which is happening quite a bit nowadays. So if you want, you can add that, but add that towards the end, so that you are not like the key moments are not gone, right? People should see these. So she has how many years of experience? 18 years of experience. She's a celebrity tarot guru, and this is what it is. She has a YouTube channel and a website, and she has given you another way of reaching her by phone number. So there are 3 ways, 1, 2 and 3, and you can see she has again explicitly told what she does. She works on relationship therapy, mind reader, and she's a healer. Okay, and so again, let's see the kind of posts and traction she's getting. So she has things all over the place. If you see, if you are all over the place, like you do everything, you'll see that your reach will be much lesser. For example, what do I mean? Let me show you. Look here, first one, it says how to excel in exams. Next is what is your partner feeling. Next is how to kick out negative energies. Then why you should not do tarot reading, divine magic, think of a question, choose a card. So try and make something which is theme based, like you pick one theme and stick to that at least for a week or 2. Then you can move on to the next theme, and then you will find which of your videos are doing much better, and then you can focus and make more videos or reels on that one. So since she is a celebrity tarot reader, it looks like she is going to be getting traction because of that, because people already know her. And she has this YouTube channel. See, the number of subscribers are not much, and looks like she is been making videos and the same stories she's posting here also as shorts. And so manifest your dream life, get rid from debt or the evil eye, pick a letter. So if you, even when you look at their videos, you can see what is that thing which is working for them. For example, for her, people are more into getting rid from the evil eye. Then what is the other ones in the latest one, how to manifest your dream life, things like that are working well for her. So it might work for her, it might not work for you, so you have to work with what will work for you also. Next is this tarot reader, it's Meheklin. So this one I know for sure she has a team working for her, and they keep posting for her and editing her stuff and helping her grow her channel. That's why she has grown this much of things. And also she runs Instagram ads and Facebook ads and stuff like that. So she is clear. She has said that what does she do? She is a manifestation and tarot coach. But since she did not put here as a tarot in her username, because she is branding herself as herself, okay, as Meheklin. So when you search in tarot, it doesn't really come up. So if she wants to come up for tarot, the word, when somebody searches for tarot, she has to have that in this username. But then since she is working branding herself, it is also a good way not to like just be known for tarot. She wants to be known as a manifestation coach also, right? So, and these many words can't go in the username, and she wants to keep it clean. So that's how it's working. Again, what you're doing, manifest wealth, love effortlessly, and then this hashtag by tarot. So somebody, hoping that when somebody searches for the hashtag tarot, her account will show up. And also she has another account in Instagram, and then she has a link tree linked out where she links out to her YouTube, her website. She sells products, she sells tarot cards and stuff like that. And her other account, if you notice, see, it's not doing that great. This has only 303 followers, whereas the primary account has around 25,000 followers. Okay, why is that? Because in this, people are connecting to her. She has this vibrant personality, and it's she is the brand of this company. She is the person behind it. So that's why people really are not really focusing here. Also, the kind of content here is so. It looks like a social media person is doing this for her, whereas here she herself takes interest in filming the videos and then having them make these reels for her. Okay, see that 9,300, 10K. It's all about her, right? And then sending out messages. That's why that's another way of branding yourself. Let's look at this one. Again, this is a celebrity tarot reader. She's that's why she is branding herself, and a plus sign here. Have you noticed the blue plus sign here? The blue plus sign means that it is a verified account. It is a Instagram verified account. If you follow all the steps on Instagram to get verified, you get a blue tick. So that means it's a primary account. Then tarot reader, keyword here, tarot reader, keyword here. Her category, she has chosen personal blog. I believe it should have been astrologist and psychic, because that is what this kind of business falls into. So if you are doing something, please choose this one, astrologist and psychic, okay, instead of personal blog or celebrity or something like that. And another thing is that she has mentioned what she does. She's an astrologer, she's a tarot card reader, she has given the ways to contact her, and she has a YouTube channel. So almost everybody who wants to make it big has multiple platforms, and I would recommend that you also have your this website or blog, okay. And look at this, she has another 4,000 subscribers here, and the videos are doing pretty okay. They are not so good, but they are doing pretty okay. And all this will be generating business for her. And then you can see in the about she should have written more here, like just like she has written here, to make it more connectable. But then look at her reels. Her reels are with celebrities. She's a celebrity tarot reader. So look at the number of views: 113k, 106k, 103k, because all are known faces, right? She is posing with celebrities. So that's how she is gaining credibility, and people then will not think twice before paying her whatever money she asks. Okay, so that was one of the readers. So we have seen multiple tarot readers, and we have seen how they are updating their bio. So basically, here's the one of the others. It says, see, the account name has tarot. I would not recommend putting underscores, but then it's up to you, like if you want to do that. She has 10,000 followers. Again, she has sent tarot here, the word tarot misspelled though. Then the correct category: astrologist and psychic. She's a tarot reader. She does Reiki and spells. She's a law of attraction course, numerologist, rune reader, served how many clients. This is building credibility. And you can see that she also has a YouTube channel. And let's see the posts, kind of posts and reels. So again, there is a lot of consistency. How to use crystals, you need to hear in the designs, but then the wordings are different. There's no one niche, but this person is coming to you. If you see that anything related to people, love, relationships is getting her more views. This has 46,000 views compared to you need to hear this or how to use crystals or something. So basically, looking at the number of views she's getting for what, she can see that clearly. See, this person is coming to you. Will they give you a commitment? And messages which are meant to find you. See, it's all relationship type of things, and she is getting more traction for that. So she can make more videos on such things, and the occasional video on a Friday or some other day when there is not much traction for her channel, or a Monday or whatever, and on other topics. So even if she wants to make those videos. And so that's it. We have so many we have seen so many bios, and I will be linking this post below, where you can see the top. These are, if you have a website, if you use any of these, or you can use these in your in a Instagram or a YouTube video also, and they will get you some lot of rankings.